Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix unable to verify application and internet connection is required iOS bug. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to click on settings and then just go to general. It should be above control center like this, and then just click on software update, and here it's going to show you your software update and whether you need a new software update or not. So make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest software update available for your iPhone. Alright guys, so this is the first step. The second step is to restart your iPhone if you haven't already. So make sure you restart your iPhone. Alright guys, so this is the second step. The third step is to go through a hard reset on your iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. You can just Google how to hard reset your iPhone. I cannot really show you guys how to do it while recording my screen, but it's really simple. You can just Google how to hard reset your iPhone, and that should fix your problem. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.